Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer chargeback evidence to PayPal. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To transfer chargeback evidence to PayPal, begin by logging into your PayPal account. Navigate to the Resolution Center, which is typically found in the top menu. Select the option for Report a problem related to the chargeback in question. Enter the transaction ID associated with the chargeback case. Click on Continue to proceed. Choose Provide information or upload evidence based on the options displayed. Gather all relevant documents that support your case. This may include invoices, shipping receipts, and communication records with the buyer. Ensure that each document is clear and legible. Convert any necessary files into a supported format like PDF, JPG, or PNG as required. Back in the PayPal Resolution Center, locate the area designated for uploading your evidence. Click on the Upload button and select the files you've prepared. Add any comments or explanations regarding your evidence if prompted. Review your submissions to make sure everything is accurate and complete. Once confirmed, click on the Submit button to send your evidence to PayPal. After submission, monitor your email and PayPal account for any updates regarding the chargeback case. If necessary, be prepared to provide additional information or clarification during the review process. Following these steps will help ensure that your evidence is properly submitted to PayPal for their consideration. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.